Action.
Action. Okay. So what you want to do this is you want to get the Ray Optics kit. This is inside of those big white boxes, and you want to get the shape that matches the shape that you have on here. You have this little rhombus kind of shape, so that's this. And you want to place it exactly as it is on here. It's got a little outline for you. They're trying to make it easy. This is Baby Lab. Baby ass babies. Okay, so I've got that. And what I want to do is I want to take this light, also in your little optics kit. If you lay it on its side, you can get little light ray coming out. Can you see the light ray? On the video? Good. Okay. And I've got 3 light rays. I only want 1. So what do I do with that crap? I can turn this. So if I turn it, I get a whole crap ton of rays. I don't want that. I turn it that. I get rainbows. Yay! Very pretty, but who wants that? We want 1 light ray, so we get 1 light ray. So turn it till you got 1 light ray. And you want to line up that 1 light ray with that 45-degree angle in the picture on your lab, and you will see the light coming in, and you'll mark where it comes in and hits. And then you'll see the light ray coming out. So you want to draw a little dot right where it's coming out. And I'm doing Hera's lab for her. So we want to trace along that line coming out. Okay? So once I've got that, I take off the shape, and I want to draw a line connecting those two. So that's going to tell me how much the light bends or refracts inside of this little rhombus, and I can use Snell's law to calculate a whole bunch of useful things. Remember Snell's law, n1 sine theta 1 equals n2 sine theta 2. n1 is going to be up here in air. N2, you're going to have to figure what that is. That's going to be inside of the little rhombus. And you want to measure the angle relative to the normal. Okay. And then you could do that at the other interface as well. Draw that perpendicular line and measure these angles. And then what you want to do is you want to put a little shape back, and you want to draw that kind of same thing again, except you want to do a different angle. So I'm going to move the angle something like this. Have it kind of hitting at the same place. And then hold the little rhombus down. Keep it secure, and you'll draw your line coming in wherever it hits. You'll draw your line coming out wherever it goes away. Take away your rhombus and make sure you connect those lines. Pictures can get very busy very quickly, so you might want to use different colors, but then you're going to measure these angles. So this one would be this bigger angle, this bigger angle, and then exiting, same thing, this bigger angle and this bigger angle. Okay, so that's how you do all of these basically, and it just gives you different specifications to follow to draw these lines. You want to do section E and section D. Let's look at the, double check and make sure that I'm not lying to you about anything. Dispersion. So part E is all about dispersion. So in dispersion, you'll actually need to make the room darker, so you'll need to turn out the lights, and you're going to actually observe how different colors of light move. So with part E for dispersion, you're going to turn to this little rainbow. So you get the rainbow on the sheet, and thank you for dimming the lights. And when you dim the lights, you can see those a little bit better. And then you're going to do the same kind of drawing. And the instructions tell you how to do this. And go through, and you put your little guy on there. And you're going to put it in, and you're going to see how the light changes the directions that it's going. So see how if I move it, I can see the light dispersing a little bit differently. And the instructions will tell you how to do that, so I can see some dispersing out. And I can see those angles changing based on how I rotate this. Okay, and the instructions will show you how to do that and walk you through that for the different colored lights. Yep? Cool.